hundreds of dollars of passive income without actually putting in any real effort, just by sharing other people's videos. It's a real method that I will explain to you today, A to Z, so make sure you watch through the whole video so you don't miss any step of this special method. And I also have a secret way that's gonna triple the money that you make, and that is for my subscribers. So make sure you guys go down and like and subscribe to the channel. My name is Waleed Talks Finance, and let's get right into it. So the first website that you're gonna go on is uii.io. I'm gonna leave a link in the description, but before you guys actually jump in, I'm gonna explain to you how it works and what it is, and I'm gonna show you the inside look platform, how it is. Alright, earn money. Get paid by every visitor who visits your URL. What is uii.io? It's a free tool, so you shorten the links and you get paid. So example, somebody wants want to watch a video about Fortnite or PS5. You're actually gonna make a link to those videos, and you're actually gonna make money out of it. There's a low minimum payout. You just need $5 before to be paid. There's support available 24 hours, and you get a response within 12 hours. Let's actually look at the payout rates. So payout per 1,000 views, more if you're in the top tier countries. If you're in the UK, $6, Canada, Australia, US, $6, and as you go down progressively lower, you get a lower rate. That is on desktop or mobile, it doesn't make a difference, you both get paid. Let's look at the payment, how it works. You sign up, you create a simple form, you solve the captcha, you accept the terms and condition, and register. But we're gonna actually jump in on my platform and how it looks. But before then, let's look at the payment proof. So you see over here, these people are getting paid all of this money via PayPal. 11/18/21, 1:25 a.m. paid via PayPal. They pay PayPal money. So you're gonna click on the right, click sign up proof, and then you're gonna enter in your username, email, password, re-enter your password, confirm your email, and register. Let me do that real quick and get back to you. This is actually how the dashboard looks. Of course, in the beginning it will show 000 because it is a brand new account. The top left, you're gonna click on new shortened link, and you're gonna paste your URL over here. You go try motivational. You write motivational. When life hits you. Simple way. When life hits you. Alright. So that is one motivational video. What you can do is share. Copy. You're gonna click on share, then copy. Go back on new shortened URL. Motivational video YT. So that would be the alias. So this would be the affiliate link. So let's actually take this link and go open up a Google Doc. Paste our links a couple times. Okay. So I have my links over here. Maybe I would put it in the center. Let's actually, lower this a little bit. Let's lower this over here. When life hits you, motivational speech. That could be my title. When life hits you, then I could do transform your life here. Okay, let's actually put a right arrow emoji, copy and paste. You can actually put this in a bigger font. Let's put impact. When life hits you, motivational speech. Transform your life here. And then you're gonna go on file, and you're gonna click download as PDF. You can show in folder, rename it. I recommend you rename your PDF file so it looks more trusted. Okay, and then what you're actually gonna do is you're gonna go on this website called slideshare.net. I'm gonna leave a link in the description, and SlideShare has hundreds of millions of people that upload their documents and people that are looking for informational videos. And this is a great platform where you can share your PDF, see millions of views in these top slide shares. Even Gary Vee is on it, right? You can also learn plenty from this website, by the way. All right. So you're gonna create an account and upload a slide share on this video. I'm not gonna go through it all, but basically it's just uploading your PDF. It's quite simple. And there you have your PDF saved in the background, and it's making you money on the side as passive income. One other thing that I've noticed that you can think, this is, I did a simple Google Doc, right? When life hits you, motivational speech, and one YouTube video right there and done. But it doesn't end there. You can make practically UII.io, you can make a link from anything. You see, the highest payouts is in the UK, right? Right now, Christmas is coming up. So, what if you made a document and listed all of the holiday specials, and you made a PDF with affiliate links, and you kind of put it neatly, described it neatly, all the Black Friday deals in Canada, in USA, in UK, and you make documents, make documents, make documents. This document, this PDF, you can share it anywhere. You don't have to just share it on SlideShare. You can share it on Reddit. A lot of people are looking for specials of Black Friday on Reddit. Twitter, you can share it on Facebook, WhatsApp. Possibilities are endless with this type of website. And what are you doing? You're promoting other people's links. You don't even have to create your content. You just have to organize it in a PDF. You're helping people find a resource quick. So remember, in the beginning of the video, I promised my subscribers and viewers a secret tool where you can earn way more money. Here it is. But before, make sure that you have liked and subscribed so I keep on sharing and I update you new money making videos and ways that you can reach financial freedom. So when you're going to go on UII.io, they have a section called referrals. And the referral program is a referral link that you can refer your friends and family, and also share your referral grip to Discord, Reddit, Pinterest, WhatsApp, anywhere, because it is a great way. You can earn 20% of everybody's earnings for life if they sign up through your referral link. So that is insane. I'm actually going to leave my referral link in the description. Please, 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 if you want to sign up, use my link. But if you don't want to, that is fine. It is no extra cost for you. You can go ahead and sign up on this website. And I'm just happy that I'm sharing this free information for